Hey everyone, this is Ian here at Vaporleaf, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your tank and how to prime your eGo all-in-one coils. You're going to want to start by pushing down and unscrewing the top portion of the device. Attached to that is going to be your coil. Unscrew that coil. Alright, with your coil unscrewed, you're going to want to apply juice to the cotton down in that tiny center hole. Apply enough juice, wait for it to saturate. Apply a little more juice and keep doing that until it stops soaking up the juice. Once that's done with, you're going to want to grip some tissue or paper towel. Shake this out really hard. Get all of the excess juice out of that coil. Screw the coil back into the top portion of your device. When you fill the tank, you're going to want to pay attention to the max line there on the side of the device. On the bi-colored eGo all-in-ones, where that bottom color meets the window, that's going to serve as your fill line. Don't fill past the max line, otherwise your tank will overflow. Screw that back in. You're going to need to push down while you do it, sort of like a child-proof pill bottle. Turn your device on with 5 quick clicks, and you're ready to go.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. You can pick this up on our website at vaporleaf.com or come check it out in our shop in Lakewood, Colorado. We'll see you next time. Bye.